Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to try out the pink stuff. I've seen it across YouTube and various other places. We're just going to see how well this actually works on cleaning my stove to begin with. So this is what it looks like on the inside when you open this up. I just wanted you guys to kind of see what it looks like up close before we put the cleaner down. These are some cooked on the water spots that happen and some of the burn spots on the side here. I just wanted to give you an up close and personal look at it before we attempt to start cleaning this, so that you can see exactly how we're going to try to take some of these stains off, and we're actually going to see if it works when we're done. This is what the stove looks like at the moment. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little while and let it work its magic, and then we'll come and remove the cleaner and see what it looks like underneath. So now I'm going to continue, and I'm going to put the pink stuff on the pots. I have laid a towel down, an old towel, so that my countertop is safe, and we're just going to apply it to the pots now. And we're gonna let it sit for a little while, and we'll see how that does. Okay, so I'm gonna leave one side just the way it is, and we're gonna put the pink stuff on one side. That way we can get a really good view and look and see exactly how this is performing. I'm going to leave this sitting here for at least 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll see how we're doing. Okay, so now I have removed the pink stuff, and I'm just giving it a really good wipe down with my cloth. It's not perfection, but it did clean it really well. I would like to leave it on a little longer next time and see if that helps. It helped with the water spots, but not the burned on spots. But I would like to try it again and see if that helps, like I said before. But then again, it did a pretty good job cleaning. And here I just placed some of the pink stuff inside my sink as well, just a little bit at a time, and I was just trying to scrub and remove some stains from there as well. You can kind of see on the side here that I accidentally spilt some toilet bowl cleaner like 2.5 years ago. I didn't mean to, and I've not been able to remove that since. I thought maybe this might help. It was worth a try. It did clean the sink rather well, but I still was not able to remove that lime scale remover, unfortunately, but it still cleaned it really well. Here I am just still trying to scrub the pots and pans the best that I can with the pink stuff. I put it on maybe twice and I have not removed the first coat yet. And I just keep scrubbing away, hoping that I can remove as much of those stains as I possibly can. Okay, this is after the pots and pans have been sitting a while. This is the side I have not cleaned. This is the side that had the pink stuff sitting on it for a while. So you can see the difference between the two. The pink stuff really removed the grime and the built-on, or you have cooked with the pots and pans for quite some time. So I'm very pleased. It is great compared to Brasso and Barkeeper's Friend. It definitely did a great job. It's not perfect, but you can see a significant difference, especially on this one and that one. The longer it sat on there, the better that it did. So I am going to recommend the pink stuff when it comes to cleaning pots and pans in your cookware. So this is kind of what it's looking like prior. So we're gonna see how it does in the shower. So this is, so far, I'm letting it sit obviously for a while because it seems like the longer it sits, the better it is. The grime and the dirt coming off the soap scum. And it seems like with this pink stuff, the longer it sits, the better it is. So obviously I'm going to let it sit for a while and then I'll come back and rinse all this off and see if it needs to be done again. I'm hoping it takes that glue stain off that we used to fix on, my husband used to fix on pipes in the drain a while back. I'm hoping that it takes that off, but we'll see. We'll keep going with this. I've tried goof off and it didn't take it off, so we'll just see. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but gonna let it sit, rinse it off, and then we'll see where we stand from there. Okay, it's been sitting for about 2 hours now. I'm gonna rinse this off and see what we got. So it did not remove the glue spot, but it did clean the shower rather well. I wish I had more light so I could show you how well that it has cleaned this, but it has done a great job. I am gonna put on another layer since there's been so much soap scum that has been hard to get off. I'm gonna get this as clean and as brand new looking as I possibly can. But I just wanted to show you overall on the fiberglass surround, it has done a really great job. This is after the second coat of the cleaning pink stuff. I think it is one of the best shower cleaners I have ever used on the fiberglass. It looks really, really good. This just don't do it justice. It did not remove the glue stain, but I'm gonna be still in search of something that can get that up. But the dirt, grime, soap scum that has been stuck on there for a while that I was unable to remove with my other attempts and other cleaners, it did with the pink stuff. I will buy it for that reason, if nothing else. I am really pleased though. It has really done really well. I'm probably gonna do one more coat, but not today. But there it is, woo, woo.